To get the data flowing, you'll need to download Common Ledger's MYOB desktop connector if you use any of the MYOB desktop-based software packages. This includes MYOB Account Write versions 17 to 19 and 2014 to 2016. To begin, go to commonledger.com in your internet browser. Once here, you'll need to log in. Once you've signed in, click on Create Connection and you'll be prompted to select the software package matching the type of file you would like to connect. However, the connector itself will be the same regardless of the MYOB version that you use. Please note that it is a requirement that you install the Common Ledger desktop connector in the same system location as MYOB if you intend on connecting any file from MYOB Account Write versions 2014 to 2016, be that on a server or on your own PC. Once at the download page, click on Download to begin downloading the desktop connector. Once it is downloaded, double-click on it to begin the installation process. If you are prompted with a security warning, select Run Anyway. From here, click Install and, if prompted, allow the connector to make changes to your desktop. Now click Launch. You can now get the data flowing. Check out our next video to find out how you can connect your MYOB files.